Hey guys, welcome to Virran SaaS product purchase application. Here we are going to see available menus and then functionalities. So this is a quick demo about the purchase application. So right now when we log in we will just navigate to the dashboard, which will be like a displaying of the current status of each and every document. So number of purchase requisition created in the system, and then quotations, purchase order, and then good receipts. Here it is showing in the bar chart format. Here I can see approval PO and then waiting for approval and then good receipts. So complete details will be available here. Up next we can see config option. It's an initial configuration. We can input the company details and use these details for the reports, and we can print it in the custom format. The address will have the details of the address, and then we can print it. We can use these details on the report to print it. We can add the address here and then save it. So as an initial step we will create item master. Let me navigate to item master. The product code, you can see it here displaying, and then name of the product, description, unit of measures, price, and then status. So the action, if we click, we can either make it active or inactive, or we can select the UIM. We can change the UIM, we can update the price, and once the complete details are updated we can give update. Let me go to back and then click on add button. So I can enter the new product, and then product name, product code will be like short name, the complete address details. So let me create a new product of 1 nib. I can make it as 001 and 1 nib. So hero pen nib, I can make it as active. I'll set the unit of measures and the price of it. Once I saved it, it will get displayed here, having a great option of sorting. So we can sort using the column header. We will have the option of sorting. Just we click on it and then sort it. Here we can see the count of the items to display. We can increase the count by show entries here, and we can easily navigate. Up next we can have the creation of supplier, and then here the complete list of created suppliers available for us to edit, or we can search here by giving, just we can type it and then the data fully gets sorted out. So here we can see the data here, like how many records are displaying from the total records. The same action option is available for us to edit it. The best option here is we can select either it is a supplier or client, and then the code get automatically generated. The company name, contact, test, email, mobile number, the complete details of the supplier or client we can maintain here. And we are having an add option. Just we can select it. We can enter the code, unique number, and company. And contact number, email address, We can make the options mandatory. So here I'm going to remove the search to display all the records. So as per the requirement, we can make changes to make it mandatory, or even we can add more columns. So up next, we can see purchase requisition form, which is available here, displaying all the created purchase requisition. So we are having quick search option, which is always available with clear and then search. So for creating a PR, just click on create. So add button, add requisition will be opening. Easily we can go back. Now what I will do is I will just create a new requisition by using add PR button. So simply the number will get generated and then status always will be open at the initial stage. I will enter the project and then amount and description and prepare it. So now what I will do is, once it is created, the details will be available here for us to look into it. We can make actions here. We have to select it and then we can make actions. Up next, what I will do after that, we are navigating to request for quotations. Here we can see the available RFQs. So creation date, PR, yes or no. The complete details will be available here. I'll just click on add RFQ. We'll set the status, request for quotation, and the complete details available here. I can enter the supplier, description, project. So I can add the new lines by clicking the plus button and finally save. Right next, I can select the RFQ and click on generate quote. Once it is generated, so we can see the message here, successfully moved. So the RFQ is successfully selected for quote. What I will do is, here the RFQ and then the quotation which we have selected just populating here. So now I will just save it. So it is displaying the quotation number. The quotation number is ends with 27. I will select it and then click on OK. Just copy that details. So once everything is completed, I can see the data here, which is having the status of open. I can even quotation I can input and then I can search. So I can see the status open. I can see here the data. I can make an actions and I will give back. Up next, let me go to the specific quotation which I have created, and then I can even approve it. Let me approve that first. So for the quotation, I have to go to approval. This is the best form I can say here, listing all the details of the purchase requisition and then purchase quotation and then complete details, request for quotation, quotation, purchase order, all the details available. So we can make an action here. Suppose if we able to approve, here we can see the status is approved and then rejected means rejected. Here actions we can see. So once it is approved, I can just making changes to the status and then I can see the status pending to approve, and then count goes to 0. Here I will make a change and then I will do approve to reduce the count of the quotation. I can see it here. Finally I have approved all the quotations. Let me check the purchase order form. Here I can see the purchase order form is always having the complete details available at the bottom. Even you can search by using the PO number. Here you can input and then give on search button. Also you can clear, you can just enter the creation date from and to and then click on search. The same options like the edit option available for us to make changes, and just I am going back to create the new PO. So here I can see the status is open at the initial stage, and then I can fill all the details of the PO. Otherwise I can make a PO from here. I can just click it and generate PO. So the quotation will have the PO creator. It is just actually opening. I can see the complete details of the PO, the line details available here, and just I will save it. So here all fields are saying it's mandatory to enter, so let me fill that. I can see the quotation number here. So what I will do is next I will save it and then I will send to approval. So here approval, the data will come and finally it will get approved. So the approver will approve the PO. Up next we are going to see the receipt generation process. Here you can just click on the PO number and click on the generate receipt. Here you can see the successful move status and clicking OK. So here you can see the receipt details. The receipt number, it is getting generated automatically, which is having the number as 53. Let me go back and go to the purchase order screen. Here I can see the complete details of the PO and I can generate a PDF. Just I will select the PO number and click on generate PDF. So actually it is running and then I can see the actual. Okay, finally I can see the PO details with the custom report. So the quotation dated, which is converted to PO, this is just an official PO document. You can customize this as per the company requirement. Always we can make some other reports also even if required. So finally we can conclude that here I can have the complete details about the purchase requisition to purchase order. We have seen that, and good receipts. Even it is like a simple easy process for us to do, and with approval there is a special functionality like complete all the approvals will be in the same screen and the different login will have the different approver. So let's conclude that here the product is actually like a best product, we can say. Thank you so much for watching. This is Virran product, and please reach us for any clarification. Thank you.